In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an audiobook using ElevenLabs AI. By the end, you'll have clean narration audio for each section of your book and a single merged file that plays as a complete audiobook. First, log in at ElevenLabs.io. Open your browser, go to the site, and sign in. If you're already logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Next, go to Text-to-Speech. Click Text-to-Speech in the menu to open the page where you'll convert your text into audio. Now paste or upload your book text into the text box. If you're pasting, click into the editor and paste your content. If you're uploading, use the upload option visible on the page and confirm the text appears in the editor. Make sure the text is clean and properly punctuated so the narration sounds natural. From here, I'll choose a narration voice from the voice library. Click Voice Library to browse available voices. You can preview a voice by clicking play, and when you find one that matches your book's tone, select it. The selected voice will show as active for this text-to-speech session. Once that's done, adjust stability and style for natural and expressive reading. Stability controls how consistent the voice sounds. Higher stability keeps delivery steady. Lower values allow more variation. Style controls how expressive the voice is. Increase it if you need more emotion and emphasis. Decrease it for a neutral read. Make small changes, then listen to short previews so you can quickly dial in the feel you want. At this point, break your book into sections or chapters for easier generation. Long texts are best handled in parts. Highlight one chapter or section's text in the editor, or paste just one chapter at a time. This keeps generation fast, reduces the chance of errors, and helps you keep files organized by chapter. Now click Generate to create audio for each section. With your first section selected, click Generate. You'll see a progress indicator. When it finishes, press play to review the result. Confirm the pacing and pronunciation sound right for your content. If a line needs a little more steadiness or expression, make a small tweak to stability or style and click Generate again for that section. Repeat this same process for each remaining section or chapter. Paste or select the next section, then click Generate. When all sections are generated, download all the audio files and merge them into a complete audiobook. Click Download for each completed section and save the files to a single project folder. Use clear file names like Chapter-01, Chapter-02, and so on, so they stay in order. Then open your audio editor, import the files in order, and place them back to back on the timeline with no gaps at the boundaries unless you want a short pause between chapters. When everything is aligned, export or save a single combined audio file as your finished audiobook. If you prefer to keep chapter files separate for distribution, that's fine. The important part is that every section is generated, downloaded, and organized. For a single file audiobook, always confirm the final export plays smoothly from the start of Chapter 1 to the end of the last chapter, without volume jumps or missing sections. You've now created an audiobook using ElevenLabs AI, from selecting a voice and tuning stability and style, to generating chapter audio and merging everything into one complete file. Your audiobook setup is complete and ready to play. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.